In this video, we're going to learn how to obtain the sum and the product of roots of a quadratic equation. So we remember the relationship between the roots of a quadratic equation and the constants a, b, and c. So if the roots of this particular equation are alpha and beta, then we can relate the sum of these roots, that is alpha plus beta, with the constants in the standard form of a quadratic equation a, b, and c as minus b over a, and the product of the roots is the same as c over a. So having this in mind, we just need to identify a, b, and c in this particular equation. So according to this equation, a, which is normally the coefficient of x squared, will be 2, and b, which is the coefficient of x, in this case the coefficient of y, will be 5, and then c, which is the constant term, will be minus 1, as you can see there. So now we can get these relationships using these values that we have now. So we have the sum of roots, that is alpha plus beta, is minus b over a. So b is 5, so that will be minus 5 over a, and a according to this is 2. And then for the product of roots, that is alpha times beta, is c over a, and c is negative 1 in this case, and a is 2. Thank you for watching. Please remember to subscribe.